Hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is... Chocolate break.
Chocolate break.
Oh yeah. I like that you're home.
I like that I'm home too.
I like your haircut.
Thank you.
I like your hair.
Thanks.
I like chocolate.
I like chocolate.
Well, it's...
Well, I like some chocolate.
Yeah, some chocolate is festooned with sadness.
A lot of chocolate.
The good chocolate doesn't last so long, but the bad chocolate will last until 50 years from now.
It's true. Maybe we should have some good chocolate.
That I agree with. What is this?
I don't know. What is it? Oh, it's from Beta 5.
Ah, the last of our Beta 5
The very last.
stuffings. They probably are kind of boned about the first video, our anniversary show where my taste buds were broken. That was a bad deal. Whoa, there, you're getting a little wacko.
Why?
Cause you like going footloose and fancy free real quick with that stuff.
Ready? Dun da da! Da-da, da-da.
Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. What is this sampler called?
This one is
This is the time for booze.
the Patio drinks.
Oh, on the patio.
Patio. So you can only drink these drinks on the patio.
That's ridiculous. Let's try them.
Okay.
Let's start with this one.
That one would be margarita. White, lime, tequila, and salt. I enjoy a good margarita. I don't remember the last time I had a margarita, but I enjoy a good one.
Well,
Ching ching.
now we know. Cheers. Mmm.
It's a pretty good margarita.
Yeah, mostly I got lime with a little bit of the tequila back, and that was about it.
To me, it
Kinda
tasted
sweet.
exactly like going in and ordering just like a regular margarita, where you come out and it's like the green color, and you just got the little bit of salt on the rim.
Cadillac margarita.
Yeah, it
Cadillac.
was pretty good.
Yeah,
Reminded me of a margarita, so I'm gonna say 5.
give that a 4.5. What's this one?
That one is a Long Island iced tea. White, brown sugar, tequila, rum, citrus, and cola.
I've never had one of those, so this will be...
You've never had a Long Island iced tea?
No, if I wanted to get housed, I would drink something like a rum and coke or a ton of beer.
Well, you only need one Long Island iced tea, I'll tell you that.
That's also would be a reason why I wouldn't drink it.
Because you'd want to drink a bunch of them.
I don't know, I'm a session drinker. That's kind of my thing. Cheers.
Cheers. That was pretty light on the booze, considering it was a Long Island iced tea.
I kind of got a little bit of rum. I got a little bit of almost like a salty.
Brown sugar, tequila, rum, citrus, and cola.
Okay, that's
I
what
got-
it was, is the cola.
Rum, brown sugar, and cola.
Yeah, that's kind of more where I was at.
It was good though.
I'll give that one a 2. That was interesting, but...
I'm gonna go with a 4.
What have we here?
Pina colada.
Cool.
Another one I love.
I like pina colada flavored Bang energy drinks. They have the 300 milligrams of caffeine I need in the morning.
I could probably go with a real pina colada in the morning. That's another story.
That'd be good. Pina colada with some... Made with one of those, yeah.
I'll eat more of those.
I want to live there. That's
It's
like...
white, pineapple, coconut, and rum.
Wow.
That was
And it's
really
like it's
good.
whipped. That had a really interesting texture to it. Almost like a mousse. God, that was good.
That
That's
was really good.
5.
Definitely
And you get
5.
and I get all those aspects of it easy. Those are like, but
Very easy to taste.
Yeah. But it's done very well.
Yeah, but it was mixed really well. Raspberry lemonade. It's white lemon and raspberry.
White lemon?
No, like white chocolate.
Ah.
Or it's, well, yeah, I guess there's some white.
Whoa.
I enjoy that as well.
I'm not like an enormous fan of raspberry lemonade, but that tasted like raspberry lemonade. Like,
Yep.
it gets a 5. I mean, it's
5.
just right.
It was really good. I like
Wow.
these patio drinks.
These are really spot on.
This one's a Radler. It's white, pale ale, lemon, and salt.
Like a shandy.
I don't know, but I don't like beer.
Pale ale, that's gonna be pretty vicious.
It's gonna kill me.
It may. I'm having trouble discerning anything other than the white.
I got the white and I got the lemon. Very lightly. I really
I'm
didn't get
tasting
any
the.
pale ale.
I'm getting the ale a little bit. Okay.
I'm not.
I wonder if that one is a little bit more on each side. I don't know, but
I'll cut it right down the middle. 2.
I agree. And our last one.
Cucumber cooler.
Oh wow.
White cucumber gin. I have to be honest. I don't know what gin tastes like.
Think of your clear alcohols. Think of vodka. Gin kind of has almost like a pine kind of thing going on with it.
Okay, I could maybe see that a little bit.
We got a hint of that, and definitely a lot of cucumber. Cucumber is a pretty irascible kind of flavor, so it's
I'm just not a fan of cucumber flavor. I'm gonna go with 3.
I'll give that one a 5. That one actually was really interesting. I like that. And finally, our magical.
Board of cutting.
Here, you didn't want to eat the whole thing last time, so there's just a half one for you. Here's that cutting. Cheers.
I don't know, maybe go the right way. I liked that one. That one was good.
Well, I must admit, I'm still extremely down from not being able to taste the large trademark
first
box.
one.
But these last 2 have been quite interesting and enjoyable. So, if you're in Vancouver, or planning to visit Vancouver, thank you.
A little kid that's drinking chocolate milk and you get that ring of chocolate around your lips like.
It's a fashion statement. Anyways, if you go to Vancouver, make sure to stop by Beta 5 Chocolate on Industrial Avenue. If you do, they will sell you chocolate. And it's expensive,
Chocolate.
but it's delicious.
It is worth it.
They've also got don't they have ice cream bars
They
and
have little ice cream cookie things.
Yeah.
They have truffles, and then they have caramel.
They have bars too. And the reason I learned about this
like
place is because they
bars.
had a chocolate bar that was infused with noodles, and then it had shichimi on the noodles, and then there was nuts in with it, and it was really good. But that original trademark box is what got us totally into the concept of, hey, you know, she's not as into noodles as I am, but she loves chocolate and I love chocolate, so why not try a whole crap load of chocolate? And here we are, over 1 year later, still doing so and telling you what you need to know, because if you don't get told by us, get told by somebody else, they're wrong. You really need to think about your life and where it's going, and you need to listen to us. We can give you the answers.
I said mostly you yammering, but...
Well, we can give you all the answers, right? Okay, bye-bye. Are you gonna say goodbye? They're waiting.
Bye.